This is a Burstner motorhome, the Lyseo 745 TD. It's got a queen bed at the back, and it costs from 59,690 euros, and this one here will cost 78,830. So it's got a lot of extras inside. It is, as you might guess from the number, 745 it's called, but 749 centimeters long, 230 wide, 295 high. It's ready to go, 3,100 kilos with the drive, a bit of fuel, water, 400 kilos of payload, and 4 places for it. And now let's have a look at some of the options that this has got in it, and let's go, rather than go through the entire lot. It's an engine upgrade. It's got the Fiat interior packet, light packet. It's got the the windows, ramen fences. It's got framed windows, and it's got a mosquito net door. So they're the most expensive things. It's got LED running light, 120 litre diesel tank. It's got alu wheel hubs. Oh, the sky roof, that's a skylight. Kitchen packet. Okay, right. So it's got quite a lot of extras, and so one's sort of wondering what is standard inside. Let's have a look inside. Well, the first thing I'm going to point out is the double floor, if I can manage that. And there you have it, depth of double floor. You can get a few cans of beer in there. Table will increase by about 1/3. Oh, let's have a sit down. And now, what this has, as you can see from the back, is something which is quite unusual. And what is quite unusual about it is the rear. Now, they have filmed at least 3 occasions in the past their vehicles with it's got a bed in the roof and a separate lounge at the back. But I've never filmed this one. So, right, let's see if we can get some more light on at the back. Well, we've got more light inside, but not in the back. Let's go to the back. That's it, sorry. And so, right, in here we've got this bed. Now it's a bit different from other brands they've done with a bed at the back here. You've got your wardrobes at either side. There's one. And you've got this enormous window here, which I think is great. But you don't really have much height under this bed, and that is a major off-putter for me. There's space in there. Now they've got another van where you feel as though you can't quite see where the bed is, but in this case I would have to say that I need more height inside. So I'm going to come out here and we'll have another look at it from this angle. You can see that there is a little bit of room up here. Can you see that? It's not a lot. So possibly it could possibly go a little bit further, but it does really need to go a little bit further. So you've got a huge space here if you are carrying anything, but bear in mind you haven't got a loading door at the back, so that's going to be a bit awkward. So I'm not terribly keen on this one here. Now you've got the bed goes up and down electronically via this thing here. Can you do anything else with that room? Don't know, it might be what you want, but I can see lots of problems with that, particularly when compared to the other version they do, which is much better organised in my opinion. Right, now I'm just going in here show you the toilet, a bathroom, shower. Very sensibly got a nicely profiled shower tray with 2 plug holes, one at each side. There's me in the mirror, and okay, toilet's relatively standard really. Door opens the right way if you're sleeping in the back here. Well, in fact it's only bed, so you're going to have to be sleeping in the back here. Quick look at the kitchen. This trade fair is going to open in a few minutes if it's not already open, and so people will start coming in. I'm in Essen in the Ruhr area. I came here because I'm on my way to the Netherlands, and this was en route. Space up there. Right, for me this doesn't work at all. It's I wouldn't say pity, I mean it depends what you want, of course. Just seen a similar vehicle which you've seen in another film, which I thought very original, bed above again, but same size almost, and but that worked so much better than this one here does. I can't see this being particularly practical in real use. Yeah, now I'm coming out, I'll show you 1 or 2 other vans while I'm here. The battery's almost dead as well, so if I suddenly leave without saying goodbye, then you'll know the reason why. There's another Lyseo. Now, here, see the difference. You've got the bed up there, you've got a proper lounge, you walk in, you've got all this space. I haven't got a mirror to show you, but I've got, okay, I mean if you're much taller than I am it would be a bit of a problem, but you've got space to walk around in, and this is absolutely more like it as far as I'm concerned. You've got your wardrobe on the right, you've got toilets, almost the same on the left. There's a bed in here as well, you can see it up there. That's an option which you can take for about 1,200 euros or something extra, and or thereabout, I can't remember off the top of my head exactly. And so that really, this really works much better than the first.